Ludowici is the top terracotta roofing product that's on the market today. We wanted to create a space to showcase the art that our product truly is.
The goal was to have it be a space where a designer or an architect can step away inspired.
When you come to a showroom like Ludowici's and you're able to see things up close and personal and compare patinas, it really just streamlines the decisions.
A big benefit from our new space is the fact that designers and building owners and homeowners can come and see the product in a larger scale.
You're looking at life-size materials, not small swatches or samples.
What they've created is a one-stop shop for very high-end luxury products that are complementary, from windows to roof tile to stone flooring, both inspiring you and informing you about making those important material decisions.
We have 7 different bays. One gives you the feeling of stone, one gives you the feeling of wood shakes. You walk into another one and you get that classic terracotta barrel feel.
My favorite part is our center area of the space, where we have on display all of our colors and all of our textures. The fact that we make our terracotta products in any color the customer wants. That's what makes us who we are.
Ludowici terracotta goes back to the early 1900s here in the Dallas area. It exists on college campuses, with commercial buildings, with homes. It only made sense to create this design center here in the heart of Dallas.
You're here meeting with an expert, whether it's a color expert or a technical expert. The folks working in this showroom are really helpful.
Part of the vision of this space was CEU presentations, training sessions for roofers, for builders, to create a space welcoming to everybody within the industry that people really appreciate.
We partnered with companies that specialize in reclaimed terracotta floors, French oak floors, French limestone. One bay that we have that's dedicated to our terracotta wall cladding products. It's becoming very popular here in the US. All the materials that we have here are very sustainable. It's a big investment and we want you to be comfortable.
When we talk to a customer about Ludowici, we're talking about warranty, 75 years. And when you're here and you see that color in person, you can really own the decision that you're about to make, so that when you get your end product, it is exactly what you were expecting.
To be able to stand back and look at the space that we created together as a company makes you feel really good and gives you that really big sense of pride.
I believe it's already changed the game.
We're really excited to tell our story.
We've never done something like this before.